yourself. Don't let Xander around party platter. Yeah. Holy cow, you guys got all kinds of stuff.
Eat it, buddy.
Yeah.
Eat it. Eat it. Yum yum.
Okay, set up
Too bad he wasn't cooking it. That'd
Yeah,
be
there
awesome.
you go.
He's like throwing in the materials.
Yeah, that's what
A little dash of salt. A little dash of pepper.
Spread it. It might grow. That'd be neat if it would grow up to be a cookie tree. You're doing good. Yoo-hoo! You say, yoo-hoo!
Oh! That was about the grand finale.